Hello everyone. In this video we are going to cover the different parts of plant, that is fruit, flower, seed in the process of germination. In our previous video we had covered root, stem, leaf and other parts of the plant. Now let's start with the flower. Flower is the most beautiful part of the plant. They are brightly colored and have sweet smell. But do you know every fruit starts with the flower and then flower turns into the fruit? Now here you can see some pictures which we usually see. It is rose and the second one is hibiscus and the third one is sunflower. They are looking very bright and colored. Now let's move to the fruits and seeds. You can see there are some fruits which have seeds inside them. Some fruits have one seed while others have many seeds. And there are also some fruits which do not have any seed. Fruit with a one seed, that is mango, avocado, they are fruits which have only one seed inside them. Another side, you can see the picture with fruits which have many seeds inside them, like watermelon, kiwi, they have many seeds inside them. And there are also some fruits like banana, grapes, etc., which do not have any seed inside them. Now let's move to the another topic, that is germination of seed. So what is the germination? The process by which seed grow into the new plant is called germination. How germination starts? First of all, there are some conditions required for the germination of seed. For example, if you have to cook, you need some ingredients like oil, spices, flame, etc. In the same way, seed germination also requires some condition, that is air, water, moist soil. And what is moist soil? It is a little wet soil or a soggy soil. And the fourth one is good quality seed. It is also one of the most important thing which is required for the germination of seed. Now how does process start? Let's see. When you sow seed, after some time, seed coating split. You can see here seed coating splits and then seed starts growing. Shoot starts growing upward and the root starts growing downwards, which you can see in the picture. Then it produces seedling. Now what is seedling? It is called baby plant with just one or two leaves. Here you can see the seedling. It is a seedling which have just one or two leaves and this is called baby plant. After some time, seedling grow into the new plant. You can see the plant here which is fully grown. Then plant gives flower, flower gives fruits and fruits have seed inside them. That's how germination of seed occur. I hope you all have understood today's topic.